Hey, it's Stacey. I am here to talk to you about something really exciting that Arbonne just came out with. Now, if you've watched some of my videos, you know that this girl likes to get glammed up, and I'm not afraid to put on colors and to kind of really go for it and just really, you know, beat this face to the gods and put lots of, you know, mascara and lots of different colors, and I love that, and there's a place for that. But there are times where I just have to get out the door and I have to look polished. So I just came back from working out. I took a quick shower and slicked my hair back in a little ponytail, and I have to go out and meet with someone, but I want to look put together, but I don't have time to do the full deal. Plus I'm playing a sport tonight, so I don't want to look so super glam, so I'm kind of dressed to go you know, out tonight and play paddle, but I want to just put myself together. And so in this instance, I'm going to go to my go-to 5-minute face or less. It's going to take me less than 5 minutes, but Arbonne just came out with this great little package called Ready in 5. And basically it's going to be 5 products that I'm going to show you that you get to pick out your color and customize, and the value is crazy good. So I want to show you this. I want to show you the pieces, I want to talk to you about the value, and then I want to just quickly do it and show you how you can look polished in less than 5 minutes. I have nothing on my face right now other than just some moisturizer. I came out of the shower and I have nothing on other than just some moisturizer. So here's what we're gonna be doing today. The Ready in 5 set comes with the CC cream. It's available in fair, light, medium, and dark. So this is a fabulous, fabulous sort of all-in-one, you know, foundation, concealer. It is fantastic. So I totally love this. This is a you know, iconic product. It's the best CC cream I have ever used. It's much lighter than a foundation, but it just kind of evens out your face. You can use it as a concealer, and it just gives your face this fabulous glow. So that's the first product. The second product is a blush, and we have a powder blush, and it comes in a range of shades. I picked out today Dusty Rose, which is just a very neutral, fabulous, sort of a bronze but better, but we have lots and lots of great shades from peaches to berries, you name it, and your consultant can help you pick out the right color, or maybe you just know. But I selected Dusty Rose today. A brow pencil. Now you have your choice of brow pencil in all the different shades. I have the lightest one, the blonde one. You can choose a brow pencil which has pencil on one end and a spoolie on the other end to just kind of comb it through, or you can pick out our tinted brow gel, which I have tons of clients who love that, but my brows are pretty colored already naturally, so I don't really use that product, but you can choose that if you prefer that. And then next are Speak Volumes mascara, which you guys know I totally love. I dig this product, and it so works. So you get that included, and you get your choice of a lip gloss. Now these lip glosses are great. They come in a lot of colors. I chose for today's purposes Primrose. So you get all of this. This is $163 worth of makeup. So this could be, you know, for some people this is their everyday makeup look. It's a makeup bag full of products, and it's $163 retail. As a preferred client, you get it for $100. And this month you get to sign up with a qualifying order for 0 sign-up fee as a preferred client. So if you've never ever, you know, bought anything at Arbonne, but you've been tempted by some of my videos, now's the time. This is the month. It's 0% sign-up fee to become a preferred client. It doesn't cost you anything. So let me know if you're interested in becoming a preferred client this month. Now, as a consultant, you only pay $81 or something like that as a consultant. And again, this month they're doing 0% sign up, 0 sign up fee to become a consultant with a qualified order. Now, a consultant is somebody who gets a wholesale rate and is able to get a paycheck like I do. Every place is, you know, a sizable income in advertising with Arbonne, and I've been doing it for 14 years, and that's a consultant. So you're interested in talking about the business, that this is the month to do it, because it's 0 fee to become a consultant with a qualified order, and your consultant can talk to you about that. So there we have it. There are the products. Now I'm going to show you how quickly this goes. Now I have my brushes just ready to go, just so I show you. Just a concealer brush, and I use my fingers, you'll see too, but this comes in the Arbonne brush set that I love. I love this flat brush. It's worth its weight just to get this brush. Totally love it. I just have a blush brush and a little eyeshadow brush, because I'll show you a little trick. I will do all of that in under 5 minutes, okay? So here we go. I'm just gonna take the CC cream. I'm gonna dab it over my face. I'm gonna use a little bit of this on my brush. And I'm gonna start under my eye, just to kind of get rid of the dark circles. And then honestly, because this is so quick, I'm just gonna rub it in with my fingers. My face is clean, it just has moisturizer on it. And I'm just gonna rub it in. I like the CC cream a lot. You can get it with or without sunscreen. You can have your choice. This happens to be one without sunscreen because I'm just gonna be going to a coffee shop today. And I like to put it on my eyelids too because it gets rid of the dark circles. I just kind of put it everywhere. So that's my base. And I didn't use a lot, but do you see how evened out my face looks just with like that dot? So next I'm going in with the blush, the Dusty Rose, and I'm just gonna take it, pat my brush in there, and just, you know, put it on the apples of my cheek, extend it up a little bit for like a little facelift kind of feeling. I really love this color because it's very neutral. Now here's a tip. I know it's the 5-minute face, but I'm taking a little bit of this blush and I'm just putting it on my eyelids. It just adds some depth and pulls the whole look together. Doesn't take any extra time, but I think it makes me look more polished, okay? Next, eyebrow pencil. You can do this in any order. This is just my order that I'm doing it in. Eyebrow pencil. I just wanna put a little on the tail. My eyebrows are pretty dark, but I like to extend that tail. And then you take the spoolie end. Remember I talked to you about the spoolie? And you just comb it through. Just kind of frames your face a little bit better. Next, lip gloss, Primrose. I love them all. I love Cali, I love Primrose. Any Given Day is my new favorite. But I love this color, and glosses are very popular right now. And then last but not least, the mascara, right? And the Speak Volumes mascara is so fantastic. It just enhances my natural lashes. You can put it on the bottom lashes, but you know what? Since I'm going for a super natural look and I'm playing sports tonight, I'm not gonna put it underneath, but you certainly can. And what you've seen me do it many times when I've done my glam look, you certainly can do that. And I think I am finished, and I know I did it in under 5 minutes. I would venture to say I did it in 3 minutes, even with talking. So here's the effect. It's just super natural. I feel glowy, I feel polished. I literally use those 5 products and I'm out the door, and you get some choices in this. So if you're interested in putting together this super quick look, it is on sale right now. I mean, instead of going to a makeup counter and not knowing what you're getting, our products are completely vegan, gluten-free, completely natural. They perform well, they look great, they give you the glow. Of course, everything starts with our skincare. I preach that to the choir all the time, but look how that, just a couple products, some blusher that I put on the eye, I put it on my face, just some lip gloss, a little eye pencil, and some mascara. Just, I feel put together. I feel like I can walk out the door and I am a good version of myself, and it took no time. It didn't slow me down. So anyway, enjoy. I hope you get your hands on this. Ready in 5. Talk to your consultant or someone who shared this video with you. And if you're interested in talking to me, Stacey Molli, about either becoming a preferred client or becoming a consultant and building a business, building an asset with Arbonne like I did, send me a private message and we can talk about that too. I hope you're enjoying this gorgeous day. Do something nice for yourself today, and I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.